Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Lamoy 177 by 87 by 33 inch rectangular swimming pool. The above-ground swimming pool is the perfect product to resist the summer heat. The sturdy structure and large size provide enough space for you and your family to enjoy swimming. Excellent materials and upgraded design make this product beat most other products in this field. Easy to install, convenient foldable storage, and excellent detail technology make it a symbol of durability and beauty. Product benefits: made of lightweight PVC material. Install within 30 minutes. Simple assembly steps, no tools. The pool frames are applied with corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.